BJP government has done a good thing for the women. We are also happy that, many more women to come up and, in every field, feel like, that is, we support that women should also, that strong enough. And of course, government has done so much for a woman, and as a girl, as a woman, I'm so happy that it's a really honor to having me for a special today.
How is your experience in New Parliament?
That is amazing! Oh, so beautiful, crazy. I'm so happy. For the last many years, I have been MP, and that experience inside, and that is different. Now, when I enter in this new parliament, oh my God, that happiness, that is different. So I really enjoy, and I'm very happy to see a new parliament, and so lucky to visit today, especially. Thank you.
Moina mangthong na bhon na rakwen sigi khalro de am sauni
ai samang Meitei Christian ni ado handaki irang hai tare si matang da in kitang comment tong ning badi ekhoi cookie sing hai ge cookie har ga chu koi ekhoi gi laiminar be sing cookie ngak tani anamana zo cookie ko ado moi sing se Christian aseng manati hai ni then ekhoi gi yum mai thare se Christian oy man thab ne ko Christian oy man nuti khuding gi ma Bible di parang mani ba khoi je pai every day khoi nuti ge Bible pai devotion to isa sing ko atuga hoi dei bang kai yam tam noi nam yum mai thare do yum mai je khoi ril kem belai isa no ba to mana papa yum chat ke hai matab da khoi pu ngam yum da sak rabani isa na yum se cookie no mai tha kram ne khoi hai isa no pa jin hai ko Christian ma oi raga yum mai tha ba se da sa yaning de ko have the Christian have the non-violence ko violence is sungaya de shona pam di kaino na khoi bu inthana yekna bu bun siba amasum ni bu chanbi ba leit lai ram pina bi ba have si shogi khoi apam ba shogi apam ni ko hojik sungai re khoi yum da leiningi ko yum da chatningi khoi ngasi awa ba khoi na thabak suana suroga hanjalakpada yum da mi ko tum patha ba skoi ngai se ai ta ai khoi ton to mi cha se chahi ahum sure magna numidang hek tok silakpada ba ai khoi yum chatse ai khoi yum krai lege Christian marak ta su aphaba mayam amale haidi aphaba pautak pi ba then aphaba chatpa mayam lei but hojiki lady pochidi laiba narco terrorist singsina nongmai chingdon da nongmai namaga even a pastor even a evangelist kuding makse nongmai na namakanda nang du to dam ne no mai chum
no me am pasal no me na acha ele lekha
na sei za ka pesa he sami ne ja sami ka pesa
pasa nu le sa dam the ne hi den
ke ho kam po pi district a ri committee ke cha ta thila ro na de yong le ki ho sa la bo na ko le ta na
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. My name is Kuraizam Athoba, and I am a Meitei, the so-called Meitei Hindu that people around here are talking about. So as this is a platform of United Nations, I think everyone has a right to know the real facts and the truth that we need to address what's happening in Manipur. And I've been listening to all the panel members who have been narrating the stories. And I won't narrate on rhetorics. I will come out with facts and figures and digitally proved records and data which nobody can't manipulate in any ways. So first of all, when we talk about the Hindu majority issues, we as a Meitei in Manipur is not a majority. For the rest of India, it's a different case. When it comes to northeastern states of India, Meitei is not a majority anymore. We represent hardly around 8.5 lakhs population. And the Christians in Manipur is around 12 lakhs. They comprise of around more than 53-54%.
Sorry,
and Meitei
I don't want
is
to interrupt you, but if you could just be as short as possible. We still have 3 minutes for the room.
No,
so
but
if you could
we need to clarify the facts, because if
as
you are
fast as
narrating in the
possible.
wrong context, we need to check it out. Or shall we go on with the wrong facts? We continue this debate and discussion. What's your intention then? We need to check it out. Number one, the religious card is never an issue in the Manipur violence, because Meitei never targeted Christians. Meitei also has a Christian population of around, which is 45% of what the Kuki populations are, Meitei Christians. And they missed to inform that Meitei churches are being completely vandalized and razed in the Kuki-dominated areas in Churachandpur, right on the first day before the target begin in Imphal.
Okay, sir.
That needs to be acknowledged.
Thank you. Thank you
And
for
here is
sharing.
the sequence of events.
I would be grateful if we can meet after this and take the document and have the conversation.
Sure.
But if you don't have any
Let
more
me-
questions,
let
I
me
would
sum
need
up.
to interrupt you because we have 2 minutes before we need to close this event, and I need to give the final word to this panel. So I need to interrupt you just because we have 1 more minute, the lady from the United Nations, so we have to basically conclude the event.
Yes,
Thank
last
you.
part,
Thank
last
you for
question.
sharing. No,
Last
we
question.
will meet after the event.
But
and we
allow
will
me,
take
let the
document.
audience know. Let the audience know.
Yes,
Why
but
are we
because we
completely
need to have
neglecting the issue of narco-terrorism?
We need to have the
The UN
concluding-
Odyssey has already reported Churachandpur has become a hub of new golden triangle.
Okay.
Poppy cultivations has
we need
already.
to have the concluding remarks from the panel and conclude the
Yeah,
event.
before that we need to know the facts. That's why I'm trying to intervene.
Thank you, and we would welcome this. It's just that
It's completely one-sided discussion, so I don't want it. It should be neutral.
we are not a one-sided discussion.
Then you should have the
a lot
patience
of
to
the
listen to
facts
me.
were presented thoroughly, and there's a lot that we can provide after this event. Thank you.
Almost
So
19
I
Meitei
would
villages.
I would like now
19 Meitei villages completely 100% evicted, destroyed.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. Can you switch off the microphone, please?
ꯐꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ
ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯤꯔꯨꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣꯕ
ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯅꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ
ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗꯤ
ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯔꯦꯌꯣ
Hey,